Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video is going to be short, and I'm going to make a review on how to buy crypto on Luno. I have really made a lot of videos about this Luno platform, and here I'm going to lead you guys through on how to purchase crypto. So Luno, in case for some of us who don't know about Luno, is just a crypto platform where you can buy crypto, you can store your crypto, and then also invest if you want to invest your crypto. So in this case, it's user friendly and it's very easy to access. There is no much thing here that is complicated. So you can see right here, you can check, you can explore, you can check the news and then know what's going on. You can also go back to your wallet to check, to see the cryptos you have and then the rewards. And in this case, I'm going to show you guys and then give you guys a bonus on what to do here, because I'm going to give you guys a promo code for you guys to redeem and get about $75 or maybe below. As you can see right here, you have seen 14,000 or $75, 200 francs, and 75 RM in different countries depending on where you're watching from. So the promo code differs, and you will have a crypto bonus for using my promo code. I'm going to give you guys a promo code later in this video. So in this case, I'm going to show you, and I'm going to show you guys and then lead you through on how to buy this crypto. So when you go to your wallet, when you create the account, and this is what you have to do first. When you create the account, the link will be in the comment section. When you create your account, you then head to rewards and then you click on enter code. Then use the code showing on your screen and then enter the code. So after inputting the code, what you have to do is to apply code. The next thing you have to do is to deposit. You don't have to worry about the deposit. You can deposit and then redeem the rewards and then withdraw your money back again if you want to. So if you also want to continue the trading or maybe saving your crypto there, it will be wonderful. After inputting the code, what you have to do is to go to your wallet and then you click on your currency. I'm in Nigeria, so this is showing Nigeria currency right here. So depending on your own country, what you put, and you have to make sure you verify your app in order to have full access. So once you click on your country currency, then you click on deposit. And if you really like, if you actually have an amount in your account, you can also withdraw and instantly it will be deposited into your account. So right here, what you have to do is to create voucher. So for some of us who don't know about this, creating a voucher just like sending money just via P2P, and let me just lead you through on how to do that. You then click on create voucher. I don't really want to deposit, but I'm just going to use 500 naira for instance, and then input that, and you can see, you can check the fee and you see it's literally low, like the fee is not much, just like other platforms. So I will then go for pay for my voucher. So you can see right here, what you have to do is to input your card details if you really want to use your card number, and then remember this card next time so that you can also have access to it whenever you want to buy next time. So but if you don't really want to use your card, your credit card or your debit card, what you have to do is to go to this change payment method. You can also pay via bank transfer. That's just the best part of it. You can pay via bank transfer if you don't want to add your card details. So you can see the amount, the account number you have to deposit, and the bank name and the beneficiary name. So what you have to do is to copy this account number, and then you see the account details is only valid for this specific transaction and it's expired by 11:16 AM depending on the time I'm using right now. So once you have copied the account number, then you have to bear the name. This is Wema Bank, and then the voucher. So I will head on to my bank app and then make the transfer. So I will type in Wema Bank and then the account number, then the amount. and you can see the amount I'm depositing here is 500 naira. So then you can see a voucher FLW, so it's correct. So narration, you press OK. So in this case, this narration, don't ever write Bitcoin or purchasing Bitcoin, just input OK, that's all. You click on proceed. So I pay. Done. So what you have to do now is to wait for them to send us a message, our voucher codes, and then how to input the voucher code. It's just pretty simple. So I'll wait for them to send me the message. All right, here it comes. You can see they have sent it to me immediately. So these are the most important thing you need to know. The voucher has just been created for you. So your voucher details are your number, the balance, and then the PIN, expiry, and then security ID. These are very important, and you don't have to share this with anyone. So right here, what I have to do is to go to my Luno account, and then you go back. So right here, what you have to do now is to redeem voucher. You click on redeem voucher. This is the number. So what you have to do is then check your number. Let me just input this number really quick. And you don't need to even try to make an attempt to import this code back again, because it will only be used once, so it can't be done twice. So the voucher PIN, I put in the PIN, and then the security ID. It's pretty simple. Then what you have to do is to click on redeem voucher, and then input your code. Okay. All right, they send me a code. All right, and then you can see I have deposited 500 naira into my account. So they took the charge, which makes it 490 naira here. So from here you can then invest now, or maybe you don't want to invest, you can then leave it not now. So from here you can see now in my balance I have 490 naira. And so for you to get the bonus, so if you are asked to buy 5,000 naira worth of crypto, I would suggest you deposit 6,000 naira, so that once you are trying to buy crypto, the fees won't make your amount too less. So what you have to do is to deposit more than that, and then buy the crypto. So from here you can then purchase any crypto of your choice. So you go to home, you can buy from here. You can go to Ethereum, you can also buy from here. You go to any other coin from here. We have about 11 currencies here. So to make it very easy for you, you have to go to your wallet and then click on any crypto you want to buy. Let's say I want to top it up to Bitcoin, or okay, let me just buy Litecoin with it and then see how it works. So I click on buy, and then here you buy only once if you want to buy once. So you can still buy repeatedly, like if you want to make transaction of buying crypto countlessly. So I have to buy once, and then here you click on your Naira wallet and you put on maximum, and then you click next. So you can see right here the charge is 9 naira, so I will spend 419. This is the amount I will receive in Litecoin. So I hit on confirm and then enter my PIN. You can see I bought 400 naira worth of Litecoin. Very simple. This is just as low as 500 naira or 100 naira. So I would suggest what you have to do is to just follow these steps, input the code. After inputting the code, then you deposit and then buy the amount of crypto requested for you to buy for redeeming the code. So from there, once your code have been redeemed, you can then go back to sell this coin. You can go to sell. then you sell to your currency, and then click on maximum if you want to sell everything. If you don't want to sell everything, you put the amount you want to sell. So from here you click on next, and you see from here it will then show you the amount you receive, 446 naira. Like, all the fees I've been collecting is not that much, so you hit on confirm. But I'm not gonna do this right now. So after hitting on confirm, it will then be deposited to your currency wallet. Then from there you can then send it to your bank account straight up. Like, no more thing about it. So if you guys find this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and then if you have any questions or anything you want me to know, just drop that in the comment section below. I will make sure I answer to every question. See you guys in the next video.